them. Your mind, listen to this. This is wild. Your subconscious mind doesn't care if you're happy or sad, healthy or unhealthy, rich or poor. Your subconscious mind doesn't care. Your subconscious mind is only concerned about whether you are alive or dead.
Oh,
Again,
great.
your subconscious mind only cares if you are alive or dead. If you are alive, it says, perfect. We're going to keep doing whatever we've been doing because we're alive.
It's working.
So when you're like, why would somebody keep like going into a abusive relationship?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why would somebody keep drinking themselves to death? Why would somebody, that doesn't make any sense. Why would somebody harm themselves? It's because their subconscious mind thinks it's better than death
Hmm.
because it's been working.
Right.
Working meaning they're alive,
Right.
not working meaning they're thriving or they're happy or they're healthy.
Right.
So that we are not taught. That is human being 101. That is your subconscious mind 101. So when you're feeling any low vibrational frequency, I stick with the big three, usually are related to everything: fear, judgment, or self pity, right? Because if you're sad, you're feeling sorry for yourself, right? And sadness is okay. Feel the emotions.
Hmm.
Don't get stuck in them.
Right. Right.
Feel the
Right.
emotions, but do not get stuck in them.
Right.
That is the message. That is the message. And then you can choose. You can choose, like, oh, well, that's not true. I am enough. That's not true. I'm not my body. Who cares if my pants are fitting a little bit tighter? I'm not my body. I tell people, hold up your right hand. Just go ahead and have fun, Lisa. You like to have fun. Hold up your right hand and hit yourself in the face.
I don't like that.
We would never do that. And if you did walk around doing that, people think you're crazy. Your hand, this is not Yvonne. This is Yvonne's hand. I have a hand, but it's not who I am. You have a hand, it's not who you are. You have a body, it
uh,
is not who you are. I have a body, it's not who I am. But guess what? You have a mind. Most people have a mind that does exactly what your hand was doing.
yeah.
Slaps you around, pushes you down all day long. Not only are
Yes.
you not your body, you are not your mind. You are not your thoughts.
That's not
We
your
have been taught
identity.
to identify with them,
Hmm.
but we are not it.
Hmm.
And once you take back that power and you're like, oh, actually, I'm at the seat of this. And my mind is a tool that I have, and my thoughts are part of that tool. But I am the CEO of me.
Hmm.
I am the pilot of my own human being. People think it's their mind. No, sorry.
Mm-mm.
We were not taught what we needed to know.
No.
The mind, so 95% of it is the 10-year-old version of you or younger.
Hmm.
So imagine, like, what's the most, complicated thing you can think of that man has invented and built?
Oh gosh, going to the moon, like going
Okay,
up
so a
in space.
rocket.
Yeah, a rocket. Yeah.
Okay, so a rocket. Not to my knowledge, but I don't watch the news. I don't think we've cloned another human being.
No.
We built a rocket, but we've not cloned a human being, right?
Right.
So the human being's more complicated. So
Hmm.
now imagine you, Lisa, are more complicated than a rocket.
Mm.
And then close your eyes and see the little 7-year-old Lisa. And I want you to see her at the controls of a rocket ship. And she's not been taught how to fly it.
It's going to be a disaster.
That's what's happening in most people's lives.
Oh my God, that's such a beautiful example. Holy
That's
cow.
what's happening.
That's a great example. Seriously, that's
That's what's
beautiful.
happening.
Yeah. And you know what's really cool? As you practice this, it does get easier.
Not only does it get easier, it gets fun.
It does. And you start laughing at yourself. That's what I found. Instead of, I went from beating myself up, like, okay, I went and made a mistake, right? Okay, so let's go through this whole ruminating, beating yourself up for days, if not whatever. And now I just laugh at myself. I'm like, seriously? And I laugh. But it's so, because as you practice this and you have the self awareness and you are paying attention to your body and you're paying attention to what's going on here, you can catch it. You can stop it quicker, have that moment of pause, breathe, and do the curiosity, what's going on? Why am I feeling like this? What do I need? and then you can respond. And guess what? I don't have to do a whole bunch of cleanup.